Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to create Burndown chart in Jira. So first, you want to open your preferred web browser and you want to go to Jira. Once you're here, you want to navigate over at the left sidebar. Then you're going to choose a space or a project that you specifically want to create a report of. Then just make sure that you're going to open the correct project or correct space to ensure that you are creating the accurate report based on what you need. Then over here at the navigation bar at the top, we'll be able to see reports. But if you don't see it over there, you'll see this plus icon. So if you click on that, you can add a navigation. So you just want to scroll down from here and you want to look for reports. Then you're going to add that to your navigation bar. And once reports is over here in your navigation bar, then you're going to click on reports. And from here, we'll be able to see all of the report templates that you can create. We'll be able to see the burn up report as well as the burn down chart. So let's click on the burn down chart. And once you're here, it will automatically create your burn down chart, which you can go ahead and review. And at the very bottom of the chart, you'll also be able to see your daily log, which is the basis of your chart over here at the top. And if you want to create other chart reports, then you can always go back and choose from the other templates that are available over here. So I hope this helps and thanks for watching.